Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn about the merge option in Excel. Well, it allows you to merge multiple cells into one, and this command is situated in the home tab over here. Let me show you how. See, we have these two cells, right? A and B. We can merge these two together by going over here and clicking on merge in center. Say combines and centers the content of the selected cells in a new larger cell. This is a great way to create a label that spans multiple columns. All right. So for example, I want to say alphabets are used to make words, right? Now this is coming in this one cell only. However, if we want to make it look great, we can select these three cells and click on merge and center or merge across or just merge cells. So when you just choose merge cells, the formatting remains the same. If you choose merge across, the words are spread across. And if you choose merge and center, the formatting turns out to be that the letters are centered. So this is how you use merge and center. Now there are some things that we need to keep in mind. It works both in a row and in columns also like this. Now you can merge these two cells, these two rows. All right. Now like this, merge and center. See, if in case there are contents written in the cells, in both the cells that you want to merge, then the contents of the top left hand side cell would remain, the others would be deleted. Merging cells only keeps the upper left value and discards the other values. So only G remains. Over here, only H would. You can merge like this also. Only C remains. So this is how you merge cells in Excel. You can also unmerge them. You select it and choose the option unmerge. Your values would be lost, which you did earlier, which you saw earlier. Like over here, 1 was written, over here 2 was written. See? So this is how you use merge option in Excel. See you in the next video.